Hello everyone. I'm going to walk you through the entire installation process for the code cell runtime over here. As you come onto our downloads page, you can see that there is a download code cell option over here. As soon as you click on this, the download gets blocked because it is unverified. Simply because we do not have enough resources as a student developer committee to sign enterprise signing certificates. And for new developer tooling, this is completely normal. So as soon as you click on the unverified download block button, you can see that there is a download unverified file option. Clicking on this would download the file. It is a very small, lightweight setup, and opening this would trigger the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Now, any other antivirus that might also exist on your system may cause this error to happen. And if you trust us enough, you can just click on More Info and Run Anyway. And this is just for the installation part, and you would not require to keep your antiviruses and your Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, your Windows antiviruses off during the running. It's just for the initial setup right now. As soon as you click on run anyway, you can see that we have entered the fresh runtime setup. Here, the system app is able to detect, basically it is detecting the compilers that are already existing on the system, which is completely normal as since you are a developer, you will already be having the compilers. So we'll detect that, and if they are not there and it shows missing, then you can simply click on any one of these. For now, let's click on Python 3 runtime as this is the smallest one and best for the demo. Clicking on next, it will just confirm which are the selected components. And installing this would firstly download the file, and then it would extract and expand everything. And finally, you will have the entire thing installed on your system. In the end, as soon as you click on finish, you will be redirected to a dashboard. And as you can see, it is clearly displaying which ones are the compilers from your system and which one are the compilers that are being installed by the code cell runtime, which is basically Python. As soon as you have done this, you can then proceed to the verification part. You can basically go to tsecodecell.com and if you go to the weekly challenges, you can go ahead on the test week, select a test problem. As you can see, the code cell runtime is being detected over here. Another indication of whether the code cell runtime is being detected is you can go to the system tree and have a look over here at the code cell daemon, and it can open the dashboard and it will show the same page. As soon as this is done, run some code and you will be able to process and experience the entire thing by yourself. That's all for now. Thank you. Alright, so let's walk you through the installation process for code cell runtime on macOS. These are very simple brew commands and you can directly add them via copying it from the website and directly adding it to the terminal. You firstly have to tap the thing, then you have to trust the entire code cell simply because this is a new installation as we have talked about in the Windows installation process. As soon as that is done, install the code cell runtime, and then if you want to install custom installers instead of using the compilers that are already existing on your website or on your system, you can click on the curl command and check it out. And the verification process remains the same as for Windows. You can just check it out on our website and see whether the code cell runtime is being detected. So as you can see, support for both Java and Python are available. You can directly download it via curl commands present on our website. And as soon as you click on brew services list, you can see that the code cell runtime has started and you can verify it via that as well. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a wonderful day.